How to find a wallet address on Binance app. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily find your wallet address in the Binance app. First thing you're going to have to do is open up Binance and make sure that you are logged in. Then once you're logged in, you can find the wallet section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. Then from there, you'll find the Assets tab where you have the little search icon at the right side of it. You can tap on it to search for any crypto you want. So just go ahead and search for anything. For example, Bitcoin, just type in BTC and it's going to show you Bitcoin right on top. Now just tap on it. You have to know that every asset or every crypto has its own wallet address. So it's different for each one of them. Tap on the crypto and then choose network. So this is a very important step. If the sender is sending you on any one of these networks, you make sure that you have to choose that specific network. If you choose another one, the transaction is not going to be successful and the crypto is going to be lost to the blockchain. Now just go ahead and select any one of the crypto. So for example, in this case, Bitcoin. Copy the deposit address and you can send it to the sender, or if you are trying to transfer it within other centralized exchange, you make sure that you've selected the right network and you can paste the address there to receive your Bitcoins. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.